welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna be making fried lobster and fried in, okay, we're making God, I don't even know what I'm making. Okay, so today we're making fried hot Cheeto lobster. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but this is about to be fire, literally. We got the Tostito cheese, and we're gonna dip the lobster in the cheese, and it's gonna be good. Okay, this is not your average cooking video, so if you wanna step outside the box, I'm gonna need you to watch this and learn how to make it, okay? So what you're gonna need is some Cheetos, some flaming hot Cheetos, some Tostitos, cheese, oh, hold on, and some lobsters. If you can find big ones, then get the big ones, but we had to get a bunch of them because we couldn't find the really big ones. And if you want it extra cheesy, then just get whatever cheese that you want. Some eggs and some breadcrumbs. So young Court over here is seasoning the eggs up. Little onion, little garlic, little paprika, Old Bay, onion powder. Give it a little flick of the wrist.
I just want to kiss the Cheeto man. Oh, oh my God!
I'm trying to season my lobster and all you see is Courtney in the back.
Y'all gonna, whoa. I was literally making love to these hot Cheetos. I didn't know you was recording.
So you in the back the whole time eating.
That's so funny.
I'm gonna zoom in on your damn face eating the damn Cheetos.
I was like, I want to kiss the hot Cheeto
Can you
man.
let me know, babe, please?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, wait. Look what Courtney is doing.
My hands got tired, okay?
So this is how we're crushing up the hot Cheetos,
We
okay?
don't have a blender,
When you don't have a blender,
so we gotta
just step on it.
just step on them.
So step one, put the hot Cheetos in a Ziploc bag. Close it up. And wait. Wait. Drop it on the floor and step on it.
Literally.
Oh, I thought it was coming out.
You know, you get your exercise in, it turns out like this.
Yeah. If you have a blender, use a blender. Or if you got some little baby kids running around, I'm sure they would have fun.
Yeah.
You'd be like, come step on this, jump around and step on it. Don't piss off your neighbors though. Just pretend it's your ex. Mother!
Stomp on them.
Okay, so you're gonna take your lobster, dip it in the egg. Breadcrumbs. close this bad boy?
Let's do 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
12 minutes and counting.
Okay. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, then put it in the deep fryer. Right. So this is my first time trying this. Courtney has done it before, but I haven't. And we actually wanted to do it with king crab legs, but we can't find them anywhere. They're not worried about us during this pandemic because clearly nobody has king crab legs.
Right.
So yeah.
The ugly one.
I'm so excited to try this though. Oh my god.
So good. I see that mine's so good.
Like, it sounds weird, like fried hot Cheeto lobster dipped in queso, but I know it's about to be fire.
Fire.
So this is after 12 minutes in the air fryer. Kind of looks like chicken tenders. So once you take it out of the air fryer, it should look just like this.
All right, before we get started, I want you to try the cucumber.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Try the
scared.
littlest one. I promise.
Try the littlest one.
Trust me.
Okay.
You don't like it? Because you don't like sour cream. What that tastes like? I didn't know you didn't like sour cream. That kind of changes things. Did it squirt in your eye?
No, I was being dramatic. I'm gonna let you handle that, Playboy.
You didn't like that?
No. So today we have hot Cheeto fried lobster with Tostito cheese. So Court already had this before.
Yeah, I'm about to just dig in. I'm hungry.
So let's see.
Ooh. Don't forget to squirt your lemon on it.
Mmm. Don't forget the lemon. Let's see what all the hype is about.
Guys, if you watch our previous mukbangs,
I know.
if you notice, I always tell Naisha about her lemons.
I know.
I'm like, don't forget to squirt your lemon.
I'm like, don't worry, honey. First of all, look how red this looks. Oh my god.
So fire.
All right, so we're gonna dip it in the cheese.
You like it? It's good, right?
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Courtney.
It's so good.
Courtney.
So that's different.
Courtney. That's so good. Oh my god.
Every time I eat this, what, are you lactose?
No.
Lucky. You see that cheese doll? That's what them know.
First of all, I feel like I'm eating chicken tenders. Wow. This is so good. Oh my god. Look at this cheese, like, bro. Oh my god. What are you doing that? Oh my god, that shit is fire!
It's so good, right?
Oh my god, that shit is fire.
Like,
oh my
this is
god.
literally like the best combination ever. Like,
Oh my god. Guys, I know it sounds crazy. Like, it really sounds crazy. Like, hot Cheeto fried lobster
wow. Y'all see
with
I'm not even-
Tostito cheese. But it's so good. Oh my god, it's
To
so
make
good.
it cheesier, you have to put extra cheese in there,
Yeah.
by the way.
Oh my god. Imagine with the big old chunky king crabs. Oh my god, I'm doing that next. We gotta find these king crabs.
Everything's so perfect. You know, I'm eating the prettier ones first and saving the ugly ones for last.
Amen. Wow. Oh my god. I knew it was gonna be good.
But you ain't know it was gonna be this
But
one. Girl, it's busting.
Oh, Jesus, no wonder.
It's busting, y'all. And it's so perfectly like crispy. It's like what?
Oh my god.
What? You know, I think we should have our own
Oh my god.
little restaurant.
Michi's gonna kill me when he sees this. Oh my god, my son loves seafood. He's gonna be like, really, Mom? And he loves hot Cheetos, so oh my god.
It's like when you season the lobster and then you can taste the seasoning and you fix the hot Cheetos. I feel like they're really, really extra. Hot Cheetos it adds more flavor than a regular hot Cheetos for sure. And you thought you needed 6.
I know.
I knew I was gonna be 4 for 2, but I forgot how big these get. Like when we fried
I know,
them.
because we were looking at it
We were
like
so tiny. Like, just imagine we would have spent the $10
oh my god. Imagine we would have got the one big one.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah. We would
We eat with our eyes. That's the problem. Me and Courtney, we eat with our eyes.
But guys, it's 5. What time is it? Like 5:47, and I didn't eat anything today.
I had like
breakfast.
a small bowl of oatmeal.
See, I didn't have that.
With
I had
some-
water. So when I went to the grocery store, I was like, oh, I'm so hungry. We need 6 lobsters. Cool.
I'm not gonna be able to eat those 2. I'm gonna take it to Leah and tell her to try this shit. Actually, no. I'm gonna save it for later.
Yeah, I'm like, girl, you're gonna regret that shit.
No. I'm
You
like,
just put it in the oven. Don't put it in the microwave.
Oh no.
Yeah, put it in the oven.
That's how fat I am.
Yeah.
I screw my friend. I'm like, I thought about it. Like,
This is
actually,
too good.
no.
This is too good. Usually when I be watching mukbangs and I see people that they full, I be so hungry on the other side. I wish that I could.
I know.
I'd be like, please eat the rest of that. Like, just for me.
Just for me. Yeah, they actually.
Bob.
You dipped it in cheese?
Yes.
You dipped your cucumber in cheese?
I thought it was. Let me try. There's not a lot in there, but I got a lot.
What?
One. Watch when we buy one, we were like, I should have bought 2. And the moment we get 2, we wish we had 1.
We always do that.
Always. Like we end up buying like 3 or 4 king crabs and only eat 2.
I know, because we eat with our eyes. That's the problem.
Yeah.
We're like, oh, we need this, we really grabbed 2 packs. We really grabbed 6 lobsters, like we was gonna eat all that.
Wow.
Okay guys, so it's all done. As you can see, it is extremely red. It's fire. So this is how you make flaming hot Cheeto fried lobster. I didn't show you guys the cheese, but I was being lazy, so all I did was put the Tostito cheese in a bowl and added some more cheese to it and put it in the microwave, but you can put it on the stove and heat it up that way as well. And it is a wrap. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on and let me know what else you want to see me cook.